It's time to set up some files and folders for our project. And to do that, we're going to use Truffle. Truffle is a very powerful Ethereum library. I encourage you to check out the documentation online.
In this video, we're going to make the initial files and folders for our project, or the initial scaffolding. The first thing we want to do is to make a project folder, which I'll be doing here on the home directory. I'll name it Crypto Masterclass. Let's go into that folder. Fortunately, we don't have to code everything from scratch. Truffle boxes give us some very useful templates we can start with. We're going to use the pet shop template here, and I'll use the command truffle unbox pet shop to download this template. It'll take a while to set up on your machine, so I'm going to fast forward. The pet shop project has a few files and folders that aren't useful to us, so let's clean those up. I'll open Atom, and then I'll delete those files. So here you can see all the files and folders that were downloaded with the unboxing. Starting with node modules, we're not going to need this for now, so let's delete this folder. The fonts and also the images folder will also not be needed, so let's go ahead and delete those. Next, let's open app.js. Select all and simply delete the text and save the file. Let's do the same with index.html. Select all the text, delete, and save. The pets.json, we won't need that. Let's delete. And there's a couple of PNG files that you can also delete. We won't need the package.json file. Finally, let's go into package.json. Let's change the name of the project from Pet Shop to Chatway Lite, which will be the name of our program. Let's add a description as well. We'll say it's a lightweight Ethereum messenger. Notice how Truffle has injected a developer dependency called Light Server into our project. This will be very helpful. Light Server depends on several other packages. We deleted these packages when we deleted the node modules folder. So what we're going to do is to run npm install, and what this will do is it will reinstall all those dependency packages for Light Server. It will also create the node modules folder and also a package-lock.json file for you. Finally, we're going to run a local server, and we can do this using the command npm run dev. And you can see it automatically opens a web page to the local host on port 3000. This concludes everything we wanted to do in this lesson. If you had trouble following along or you ran into some problems, you can easily clone the repository for this lesson directly from our website using the following command. Make sure to add the -- branch command with the v1 initial setup option. This will create a folder called class 1, which will contain all the files for our project. This concludes this lesson. I look forward to talking to you in the next.